Hi folks, welcome to Camp Kitchen Cooking King, proudly sponsored by our great mates at Thetford. They're providing the cookers and the fridges that we're cooking on and keeping stuff cool. I'm going to be cooking in a Nova Bravo, which is a beautiful little setup, and we're here at May West Caravans. We've got something sweet for you today. I think you're going to love it. I like to call it number one pancakes. I'm going to fire up the Thetford. We're away. Come on, come into the van. I'm armed up with the Thetford mini grill. We've got a Thetford fridge freezer, 614, and all of my goodies are in the fridge, of course. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to cook pancakes. It's the rule of 1-1-1. 1-1-1, okay? It's that simple. 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk. That's it. A knob of butter straight away. Mr. Cuddy's chucking him in there. I'm going to fire up the Thetford. Stand back, everybody. This could be disaster. Oh, brilliant. How good's that? Electric ignition. I'm going to chuck a bit more in. You can't have too much butter, can you? Now, that's my travelling measuring cup, and that's the one I go everywhere with. First up, self-raising flour. Simple. Here we go. I reckon it's a big cup of flour to like a smaller cup of milk, if you know what I mean. I'm not using a huge bowl, as you can see. It's only a small bowl because I'm not going to be making heaps of mix. A little bit of icing sugar, which I've got, and I seriously mean a little bit, like that's it. Cookie egg goes in to the old Thetford. Beautiful. Ooh, it's cold too. Small cup of milk. The butter, she's melted, as you can see. And the butter is going straight in there. See, there we go. In it goes. Look at that. I'm just going to turn the Thetford right down for a minute. And I'm going to tip the milk in. Look at that. We're going to just give it a little bit of a go. If you feel that it's too thick and too pasty, you can chuck a bit of milk in. We've got the pancake mixture ready. I'm very happy with that. Into the pan she goes. When she bubbles up, we flip her. Now, I'm not going to muck around by trying to flip it in the pan and doing all that sort of nonsense. It's going to end in a disaster. You know I'm going to hit the roof. You know I'm going to get it on the bed. Now, don't be fooled. She might start bubbling around the edges. Trap the young players. We're looking for bubbles in the middle, and that means she's done. So, as you can see, she's coming along, but I'm going to get her back to the heat. Mr. Flipper. Yeah, we'll just have a quick peek. Yeah, no, she's going good. You can see now that she's bubbling around the edges and now starting to bubble in the middle. Give it a bit of a 1, 2, 3. This has been in a fraction of the time, and look, she's almost done. I'm going to slice up 2 bananas and I'm cutting them just on the diagonal slightly, not so much, but just a little bit, so that I've got a little bit more room for them to sit in the pan. Here we go for the second pancake. While that pancake's cooking, we're going to get nutty. Who doesn't love this stuff? They say that it's made out of nuts. I reckon they're nuts. I reckon it's chocolate. Good old Mr. Sharpie. And what we're doing is we're spreading the bottom pancake with a liberal amount of Nutella. Pancake's over. I got too obsessed with eating Nutella. Pancake number 2. Done. He goes on to pancake number 1. Here we go. We're getting buttery now. We're going to turn the Thetford down a little bit because he's cranking. And at the moment, I've got a bit of butter, as you saw, in the pan. I'm just giving these guys a grill. Now, if I leave them in too long, they're going to start to break down. And I sort of don't want to do that, so I'm keeping my eye on them, giving them a little bit of love on the heat. that is it. We're moving Mr. Sharpie out of the way. We're moving pancakes in. And here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Now, I don't think you can have enough banana on your pancakes. Oh, look at that. That's really, really nice. Golden syrup, you're traveling with this. You've got some in the van. We're just going to give it a little bit of love. While the banana is still really hot, that has to go on straight away. And there it is, number 1, pancakes. I'm going to get Dan from May West Caravans to come in and sample it. Is it alright? That's it from Camp Kitchen Cooking King. Another success. See you next time.